To get Reaper in a One Piece AUT game, you got to follow these steps, okay? Number 1, join the game, obviously. Make sure that you're logged into AUT. Now also, number 2, check your inventory. Reaper is often a character that can be obtained through special methods like events or a gacha game. Okay? Number 3, Gacha Spins. So use your gems to spin for characters. Reaper might be available through this method. So save up enough gems for multiple spins. Okay? Number 4, event participation. Keep an eye out on in-game events. Reaper may be obtainable during these special events or limited time promotions. Number 5, trade with other players. If you're having difficulty obtaining Reaper, consider trading with other players who may have extra copies. Okay. Number 6, stay updated. Follow game updates and community news to know when Reaper becomes available again. Keep trying, and good luck on your quest to get Reaper in AUT. If you have any comments for anybody, leave them in the comment section. Jesus Lord. Jesus is Lord.